everybody, this is Amy Sinton and I'm going to be unboxing package today with all of you. I just received this package. Let's go ahead and open it up. I see it's from Brilliance Magazine. Wow. I am so honored to receive this from Brilliance Magazine. It says, Brilliance Magazine proud to present Amy Sinton, honoree of Voices of Brilliance 2023. I'm so excited to see what's in the rest of these boxes. And here we have something in here. Oh, this is a personalized, and here we have this beautiful personalized water bottle with my name on it. I'm going to be taking this everywhere with me because I love to stay hydrated, and I really believe that taking care of yourself really changes the quality of your life. So everybody remember to stay hydrated. And here I see a magazine with my cover on it. Here we go. Wow, there are some other things in here too. I am so proud to be recognized as one of the voices of brilliance among so many incredible people. Here we have it. And here it says, Amy Sinton, coaching people to be their best versions of themselves. And there is more. I wonder what is inside here. It's Brilliance Magazine. Let's open it up and see what's inside. It's a beautiful leather case. Some beautiful cards inside here with best wishes and heartfelt gratitude for my participation in the magazine from Coscure. And here is a certificate from Brilliance Magazine. And I had an incredible interview with Brenda Dempsey. She is a wonderful woman and has accomplished so much herself and is very into self-development and I really recommend that all of you go and see what she is writing about too. And so there we have it. Thank you for unboxing this package with me today. Wishing you all the best, and check out the rest of my YouTube channel and Instagram stories. Have a great day.